Today we are going to see ninth standard social science history unit 3 lesson topic yearly Tamil society and culture. The five landscapes are Kurunji, Mullai, Marudam, Neithal and Palai. Kurunji refers to the hilly and mountainous region. See the picture. The picture Kurunji refers to the hilly and mountain region. Mullai. Mullai is the forest and coastal regions. Mullai is a forester and coastal regions. Next we see Marudam. Marudam is the fertile river in valley. Marudam is the fertile river in valley. Next we see Neithal is a coastal region. Neithal is a coastal region. Next we see Palai. Palai is a sandy desert region. For example, we can see Rajasthan. Moovenders. Political powers of the Sangam age, Chera, Chola, Pandyas occupied preeminent positions. They were known as the Moovendar, the three king. The Moovendar controlled the major towns and ports of the Sangam period. The Moovendars, Chera, Chola, Pandya controlled the major towns and ports of the Sangam period. First we see the Cheras. The Cheras referred to as Asogan inscriptions controlled the region of present day Kerala and also the western parts of Tamil Nadu. Vanji was the capital of the Chera. Chera's capital is Vanji. While Mussoorie and Tondi were their port towns. What are the port towns? Mussoorie and Tondi. Vanji is identified with the Karur in Tamil Nadu, while some others identify it with the and then in Chera Chola. And then the cheras were made from the flowers of the palm tree. The inscriptions of the Pugalur near Karur mention the Chera king of 3 generations. Coins of Chera kings have been found in Karur. Silapadigaram speaks about the Cheran Chenguttuvan who built a temple for Kannagi, the epics. The bow and arrow was the symbol of the Cheras. Legends has its Ilongo, who composed the Silapadigaram, was the brother of the Cheran Chenguttuvan. First, which is the Cheras refers to as the Asogan inscription. Vanji identified the Karur as of the Karur and some other districts of the Kerala. The Cheras were made for the flowers of the palm tree. The Silapadigaram speaks about the Cheran Chenguttuvan who built a temple for Kannagi. The bow and arrow was the symbol of the Cheras. Legends has it that Ilongo, who composed the Silapadigaram, was the brother of Cheran Chenguttuvan. Next we see the Cholas. The Chola ruled over the Kaveri Delta and the northern parts of Tamil Nadu. Their capital was Urayur and their port town was Kaveri Pumbattinam or Pumbuhar. The Cholas ruled over the Kaveri Delta, northern part of Tamil Nadu. The capital was Urayur and then Kaveri Pumbattinam or Pumbuhar, where the river Kaveri drains into the Bay of Bengal. Pattinapalai is a long poem about the Kaveri Pumbattinam, composed by the poet Kadayalur. And then Silapadigaram describes the trading the activities of Kaveri Pumbattinam. The Chola king was edited with the bringing the forest lands under the plough and developing the irrigation facility by effectively utilizing the water from the river Kaveri. The foundation for the extensive harnessing the water for irrigations purposes which reached the zenith in later Chola times was laid in his time. Karigalan fought battles with the Pandyas, Cheras and other chieftains. The Chola emblem was the tiger and they issued the square copper coins with the images of the tiger on the absorbs, elephant and the scattered symbols on the rivers. Cholas. The Chola ruled over the Kaveri Delta, northern part of Tamil Nadu. Their capital was Urayur, port town Kaveri Pumbattinam, Pumbuhar, where the river Kaveri drains into the Bay of Bengal. Pattinapalai. Pattinapalai is an important long poem about the Cholas. The Chola king and his credit with the bringing the foreland under the fluff and developing the irrigation facilities by effectively utilizing the water from the river Kaveri. And then Chola emblem was the tiger and they issued the square copper coins with the images of the tiger on the observes, elephant and the scattered symbols on the reserves. Next we see the Pandyas. Pandya who ruled the southern part of Tamil Nadu are referred to in the Asokan inscriptions. Madurai was the Pandyan capital. The Pandya who ruled the southern part of Tamil Nadu, Madurai is the capital of Pandyas. Tamil literary tradition credits Pandyan rules, patronized Tamil Sangam, and supporting the completion of the poems. And then the were some of the important rulers of the dynasty. The Pandya symbol was the fish. The Pandya symbol was a fish. Nediyan, Nedinjaliyan, Nediyan Pungundranar, and then were some of the important rulers of the dynasty. The Pandya symbol was the fish. Apart from the Vendas, there were the chieftains who occupied the territories on the margins of the Movendas. There were the 7 chiefs of Pari, கடையேழு வள்ளல்கள் பாரி ஓரி நல்லி பேகன் அலி அண்டு அதியமான். Sangam poems write extensively about the generosity of these chieftains. These chiefs had ultimately relations with the poets of their time and were known for their large-heartedness. These chieftains had alliance with the one or other of the Movendar and helped them in their battles against other Vendas. Many of the communists of the Iron Age society were organized as tribes. Some of them were chieftains. The Sangam Age society was society in transaction from the tribal community ruled by the chief of a larger kingdom ruled by a king. The remaining part of composition of the society, women's and economy we can see tomorrow. Thank you, student.